Kindly watch the previous video before watching this video. In previous video, we have discussed about RxJS operators. As we have discussed, these operators broadly divided into two types, creational operators and pipeable operators. From event of interval concat merge. These are some of the examples for the creational operators. Filter, take while, skip while, map. These are some of the examples for the map operators. Let's try to understand these operators in this video. First, let us try to understand the creational operators. Okay, here this is the Angular application which was created in previous videos also. Here basically it has one button, subscribe. It has the click event where it will subscribe the observable. Okay, let me create the first observable. Okay, let me use from operator here. About off and interval we have discussed in previous videos. So let me use from operator to create the new observables. This is basically useful to generate the observable with some finite set of values, and this is exported from RxJS. Okay, let me subscribe this first. Okay, here I am writing the first. Next notification callback. It will just write the value to console. Okay, if you want to write for error notification and complete notification callbacks, we can write it. Those are optionals. No need to write every time. Okay, let's see the output now. Okay, when I click on this thing, those 5 values will be generated. Okay, let me create one more observable. By using from. Let me generate 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 values. Okay, here we can concatenate. That means we can combine these observables by using a concat operator. Okay, let me use that. So I'm creating one more observable, new observable, by combining data 1 and data 2. Okay, for that we need to use concat, and this is available in RxJS. It is imported automatically. So this data 1 comma this dot data 2. So these two will be combined and it will generate the new observable. Let me subscribe this new observable. Let's see the output now. Yeah, we can see that first observable and second observable are combined. Okay, even merge also useful to merge the two observables, and this is available in RxJS operators. So we need to import that. RxJS operators. This is deprecated, it seems. So we can put it here only. Can use this, which is there in package. Okay, let's see the output here. Here we can see the same output as concat. Because here we don't have any time frame for the generating the value, so that we could not able to identify. Okay, let me change this one with interval. So we need to give some milliseconds. Let me give 1000 milliseconds. Let me change this second observable, which is generating the values for every 2000 milliseconds. Okay. Now we have merged for these two observables into data 3 and we will see the output here. Yeah, here we can see that 0, 1 is generated from the first observable, 0 is generated from the second observable, and 2, 3 is generated from the first observable, and 1 is generated from the second observable. It's like merged the two observables. Okay, these are the some of the creational operators. One of the important one which we have missed from event. Basically, this is useful to handle the events, and we will discuss about this separately in next video. Okay, now let us try to understand some of the pipeable operators. Okay, if you want to use any pipeable operators, we should write those operators within the pipe operator. Okay, first let me write map operator. Basically, map operator is used to transform the observable value into another value, another form. Okay, suppose x, if I want to generate the square of each value of the observable, so we can use that map here. Here I am just doing the taking the x value, that is the value which is generated from the data 1, and we are making x into x, that is the square of that value. Okay, now let me use this import statements. Map, we can use it. Okay, so let us see the output here. So let me subscribe this value. Let's see the output here. 0, 1, 4, 9. These are the squares of the values. Okay, like this we can use the map operator. This is one of the mostly useful operator. If you want to use any other pipe operator for the same observable, then we need to use comma. Suppose let me use the take operator. Basically this is useful to take the some set of number of values. So if I give 10, that means it will take the first 10 values. Okay, then let me import this value also. Okay, here these operate map, take are the pipeable operators. So map will generate the new observable, that will be the input for the take operator, and it will generate the new observable which is having the 10 values. Let's try to see the output here. Yeah, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 values generated. Okay, then it is stopped. Okay, let me use one more operator which is having the same type, take while. Basically this is useful to take the values until that condition is true. Okay, so let me write some predicate function here. X less than, let me use 4, x less than or equal to 4. Now let's see the output. Only 3 values generated because x is less than or equal to 4. When it is 4, it is true. For remaining value, this is false, so those values will not be delivered. In this way, we can use the creational operators and pipeable operators. Okay, here most of the examples I have given here with the simple numbers. Basically, these examples are useful to understand the operators. Okay, these are not the practical cases or practical examples. In coming videos, we will discuss about more practical examples. Thank you.